You shifted to physical school to online schooling. So how was this experience for you?
I mean, I think it takes a lot more like self-dedication to do online school than go to a normal school because it's like you having to do the work yourself. So it teaches you to have a lot more self-dedication. But yeah, for me, I wouldn't say it's been easy, but I haven't found it like too difficult. I think I've adapted really well to it, especially with the help of the teachers. They've been really nice. They've explained everything really well to me.
Yes.
And I'm doing subjects that I like doing, so I like learning them, and it's good to like do the work.
What is your favorite part of the day? And can you describe what a typical day looks like for you?
So I normally book my meetings from 9 until 1. That past 1 I have to take a train and a bus to my football. And then when I get back from football, I normally get back around 7. Then at 7 I do any homework or extra work that my teachers have given me from my meetings in the morning.
What is the key reason you believe international schooling is the best choice for you?
I think, yeah, just the like flexibility of everything and how I'm able to like do my work when I like, how do I say it? Free to like do the work. Like I'm not pressured by time or anything. The teachers don't press me or anything like that. Obviously, like assignments have due dates and everything, but because of how the school is, I have a lot of free time to complete them.
What message would you share with fellow athletes to inspire or help them?
I'd say that you have a lot more time on your hands. You feel a lot more relaxed, and you just feel that you can do things like really calmly. You're not pressured to have to like, so I think if you're an athlete and you're trying to make it professional or play in high competitions in your sport, doing the international schooling will save you a lot of time to dedicate yourself to your sport and your schoolwork.